The RVM740SM Smart Rearview Mirror from Vox Electronics includes a built-in DVR function which records video from a 1080p forward-facing camera to a micro SD card as you drive. The stored video files can be accessed as needed through the intuitive DVR menu using the mirror's touchscreen. To begin, power on the vehicle's ignition. Next, press the mirror's power button to turn on the 7.8-inch screen. To access recorded video files from the home screen, select the car DVR icon. When the DVR system loads, on screen you'll be presented with a real-time view of the mirror's forward-facing camera and, if equipped, the rear-facing camera. To view the Dvr File Manager, first tap the right-hand side of the LCD screen to access the flyout menu. From this menu, tap the topmost icon to load the File Manager. Once in the File Manager, you'll be presented with 4 different file types. The Usual Video option displays video files that have been recorded but are set to be overwritten when the SD card has run out of storage space. This feature allows for continuous recording without the need to manually delete video files yourself. The Locked Video option displays videos that the mirror has marked to not be automatically overwritten. These files are typically stored when the shock sensors in the mirror have detected an impact to the vehicle that it thinks the driver might need permanently saved for review. These videos remain on the SD card until manually deleted. How and when the mirror makes the determination to permanently save a video can be modified by adjusting the sensitivity of the mirror's shock sensors in the Settings menu. The Parked Monitor option displays video files that are recorded while the vehicle is parked and not running. When the mirror detects through the vehicle's electrical system that the ignition has been powered off, Parked Monitor mode automatically engages. All 3 video modes, Usual Video, Locked Video, and Parked Monitor Video, record from both the mirror's forward-facing camera and, if equipped, a rear-facing camera. The Photo option allows you to review static images that were saved to the SD card when the driver pressed the flyout menu's Photo button. To play a video, first tap Usual Video, Locked Video, or Parked Monitor from the top toolbar to load any one of those video types. Next, select Front or Back to view the saved videos from the forward or rear-facing camera. To play a video, simply tap it. When a video begins playing, the playback menu will be displayed along the bottom of the screen. The playback menu includes options for quickly skipping to a previous video or the next one in the series, pausing and playing the currently selected video, or minimizing the video to select another. The same playback options are available for all 3 video types. When you're finished, simply press the Home icon to return to the mirror's home screen, and then press the Power button to turn the screen off. We hope you'll take the time to review the other tutorial videos about the RVM740SM Smart Rearview Mirror. As always, feel free to reach out to us on social media at Vox Electronics on Facebook and Instagram, or contact us through our website at voxelectronics.com.